Sync your contacts from Constant Contact to Easy Texting and enhance your communication with both emails and text messaging. To start, log in to your Easy Texting account and click on Integrations on the left. Find Constant Contact and let's connect. Log into your Constant Contact account and make sure to allow Easy Texting access. And just like that, your accounts are connected. Now we can sync our contacts, view our groups, and send messages. In the Settings tab, we can choose which contacts from our Constant Contact account to sync to our Easy Texting groups. Under Phone Number, choose which phone number field Easy Texting will send messages to. This should match the field used in your Constant Contact account. For example, we have our contact's phone number saved in the Mobile field. Therefore, we will match our Easy Texting settings by selecting Mobile. Now with your contacts synced, you can send texts and emails to your contacts to increase engagement and strengthen your contact management. For more information, check out the help docs or chat with an expert. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Text TRY to 858585 to begin your free trial.